Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to standard E-A-D-G. This classic Fleetwood Mac track is perfect for beginners, focusing on fundamental bass techniques. You'll primarily use 2 fingers or a pick, depending on your preference. We'll start by breaking down the core riff, which is surprisingly straightforward and repetitive, making it easy to learn quickly. The main riff for Dreams is incredibly simple, built around just 2 notes. You'll start by playing the 5th fret on your E string, which is in a note. Immediately after, move to the 7th fret on your A string, which is a D note. This 2-note sequence forms the backbone of the song's verses. Focus on a smooth transition between these 2 positions, maintaining a consistent rhythm. While the verse bass line remains quite consistent, the chorus brings a subtle rhythmic shift. The core notes stay the same, but pay attention to the timing and feel. The bass provides a solid, driving 8th note pulse that underpins the entire song. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize these nuances and ensure you're playing locks in perfectly with the drums. To truly master Dreams, begin your practice at a slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute. This allows you to focus on precision and clean note articulation. As your fingers become more accustomed to the movements, gradually increase the speed. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes each day, will yield significant improvements in your technique and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.